Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. So there are two ways if you want to repost someone else's TikTok video or if you want to repost your own video. So there are two different ways to do this. So I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. You just have to open up your TikTok application. After opening up your TikTok application, open up the video of someone which you want to repost. So let's pause this video. I'm gonna repost this to my profile. So what you have to do is you just have to tap on the share button. After tapping on share button, now you guys can be able to see the first option, which is repost. Now you guys have to tap on it. Now you guys can see you can easily repost the video. So here is the first method when you want to repost someone else TikTok video. And what when you want to repost your own video, then what you guys can do is you guys have to simply download your own video. After saving the video, what you guys have to do is you just have to wait until the save become successful. After saving the whole video, you guys have to just tap on plus button, and after tapping on plus button, now you have to tap on upload button, which is down here. Now you have to just tap on that one video which you have saved, and you have to tap on it and tap on next and tap on next. Here you have to just add a caption, and after that you have to just tap on post and your repost has been completed. So guys, in this way you guys can be able to repost someone else's TikTok video, or you guys can repost your own video on TikTok. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.